So I just stick these two to the back of my washing machine, and I guess their magnetic force helps to pull out the dirt and odors from the clothes. And for those of you that will say that the magnets don't work and it's just the water that's cleaning my clothes, I've tried it both ways and it definitely doesn't get it as clean without the magnets.
This is pure and simple. Magnetism doesn't work that way. And even if it did, and they were able to make this work, they should get a Nobel Prize and not be making laundry magnets. While yes, it is true that the magnetic field generated by any magnet can have an effect on most substances, that effect is like this big, especially with a magnet that's this big. For the most part, it's just your water that's actually cleaning your clothing. Water itself has really good solvent properties. Consider that, for a lot of history, we just washed our clothes in water, given that your washing machine is soaking your clothing for, 30 minutes to an hour, frequently at an elevated temperature and agitating it a lot. This action alone is enough to loosen up and knock off most dirt and soil from your clothing, especially because most of the stuff that's dirtying your clothing is itself water soluble, because it's like, the little bits of bacteria and salt and dead skin cells from your body. But if you really want something that's going to change the solvent properties of the water in your washing machine, use some baking soda. Baking soda is actually a really good laundry additive because the baking soda itself can react with things in your clothing that aren't water soluble very well and help to remove them more easily. And if you're in a real spot and you really need something a little stronger, but you still don't want to buy laundry detergent, you can cook the baking soda in a frying pan on your stove at around 80, 90 degrees Celsius until it stops bubbling. And that turns it into washing soda, which is sodium carbonate, like extra strength baking soda. You can think of it like that. And if you have some real tough stains on your clothes, that should probably get rid of them in the wash. But yeah, these magnets, they're not it. If you really want to try it, go to like a dollar store and get you some of those just fridge magnets and put them in your washing machine. It's just as good, I promise. Until next time, Skim Thug.